Here are 7 online business ideas that you can start in one weekend. And some of these ideas can generate over $10,000 per month. And you can start any of them with $0 from your phone. The way that people have been building their online income has completely changed. What worked 2 years ago is already outdated. But here are ideas that are working right now. No inventory, no technical skills, and no massive upfront investment. And be sure to follow my channel because I've been doing businesses like this for over 10 years and I share all of my secrets with you weekly. And the ideas I'm about to share with you aren't theoretical. People have been using this exact strategy to replace their 9-to-5 income. Some are even scaling to 6 figures in their first year. And because of some of the tools available now, the barrier to entry has never been lower. So let me share with you my 7 favorite online business ideas that you can start in one weekend. Number 1, digital download products. And this model has one of the highest profit margins that you'll ever find online. And here's how it works. You create a digital product, also known as an asset. It could be an ebook, a guide, a template, art, and then you sell it repeatedly. There's no inventory to manage, no shipping costs to manage. Once you upload it, it can sell repeatedly without you even touching it. This is passive income. The creation process can take a couple of hours, especially using tools like Canva, ChatGPT, or Gamma app. Common digital products include PDF guides, printable planners, educational courses, templates for businesses, recipe collections, and tutorial packages. The startup cost is 0 to minimal. The time to your first sale could be within days. The scalability is unlimited. And for ownership, you control everything. And the skill level? Beginner friendly. The key is choosing a topic that you have knowledge or expertise, even if it's basic. People pay for organized information that solves their problems. And number 2, Amazon KDP self-publishing. Self-publishing is exploding right now, and it's all about brand control. Think about Taylor Swift. She could have had any publisher that she wanted, but she chose to self-publish so she can control the brand. KDP lets you publish books, coloring books, journals, planners, workbooks, and even more with 0 upfront cost. You upload your file, set your price, Amazon deals with the printing and the shipping, and then you earn royalties for every sale. And here's a powerful traffic strategy. Create coloring books and drive sales using faceless channels. All you do is film yourself coloring pages from your own book. Creators like Coco Wyo have built their entire audiences by doing this. The content is really satisfying to watch, it's relaxing, and it promotes your product. If your video drives 100 sales per month, that's an easy $400. So number 3 is a niche online store. For your niche online store, you can do anything from drop shipping to private label, which is getting something that's been manufactured but putting your name or your business name on it. You can even do homemade crafts or homemade goods, or you can upload print-on-demand products to your website. Inventory and upfront costs depends on which of those models you choose. But the important thing is you have your own site and your own products that you can manage. If you do choose the dropshipping model, be sure that you're trying to get out of that model and not have that model be your whole focus for your website. And what that means is once it starts selling and you can see that a product has potential, you get it manufactured yourself. You can build a store completely with AI. Wix is a perfect example. And number 4 is print on demand. If you have an audience that's already built in, this is a no-brainer and you need to already be doing this. The global print-on-demand market hit $7.8 billion in 2024, and it's projected to reach over $39 billion by 2030. And that's over 400% growth in 6 years. Creators with even modest followers are generating thousands each month from their merch sales. It's a legitimate revenue stream. And here's the model that's worked for me. You log on to Printify or Printful. It doesn't matter because they just merged, so they're the same company. You choose what site that you want to upload your products on. It can be Etsy, it could be TikTok, or it could be a stand store. You can do things like t-shirts, mugs, notebooks, totes, posters. The platform Printify or Printful, it prints it and ships it for you. And you collect the profit. 0 inventory, 0 upfront cost, and 0 fulfillment work. You are responsible for driving the traffic. And number 5 is YouTube automation, which are just YouTube channels where you don't have to show your face. Faceless YouTube channels are generating thousands a month, and they're easily scalable because you don't have to show your face. And you can scale these quickly using stock footage, AI video software, voiceover software, and other editing tools. Topics range from educational content to motivational content, travel guides, tech reviews, and list-based content. And if you need examples, you can check out these videos where I go in depth to show you the channel idea and how much it's currently making. The key is volume and posting consistently. And the startup cost is zero. One challenge is building to monetization can take some time. That's why it's important to have other income streams tied into your Faceless channel from the beginning. And this is a shameless plug, I know, but I do have a KDP starter kit. It has 5 covers, 5 interiors, and 8 different guides to help you get started on KDP today. So if you're interested in that, I put a link down in the description. It's a quick reminder, but I post content like this weekly, so follow and turn on notifications so you can be the first to be notified. Now let's talk about 2 ideas that work best when you're combining with what you're already doing. So number 6 is affiliate marketing. This is revenue you generate when recommending products. Companies will pay you a commission when someone uses your unique referral code to purchase something. The strategic approach to affiliate marketing is to layer it into another business idea that you're already doing. If you're creating YouTube content, be sure to post affiliate links in the description. If you're a travel company, you can recommend certain products with affiliate links. Some major affiliate networks are Amazon, TikTok, ShareASale, Impact, PartnerStack, and ClickBank. And number 7 is content creation and niche accounts. This is the foundation that makes the other 6 business ideas significantly more successful. And here's why it matters. When you build an audience on social platforms, you create multiple income streams simultaneously. Platform monetization, direct promotion, print on demand, affiliate opportunities, and business leverage. You can start faceless or show your face. Both approaches work. Pick a topic that you know or that you want to know more about. Cooking, personal finance, productivity, fitness, technology, any area that you can consistently create content. The compounding effect is powerful. As your audience grows, each piece of content reaches more people, and your older content continues generating value, and opportunities increase exponentially. So here's your 3-step action plan. Choose the business idea that matches your skills and your available time. Start building content presence immediately, and focus on providing value before you ever ask for sales. I'm curious to know which business idea you like the most. Let me know in the comments down below. The tools, platforms, and resources have completely eliminated every traditional barrier that you've ever had around starting an online business. What separates people who build a successful online business from people who don't, it's not luck and it's not talent. It's consistent effort. Pick one idea, start today, and adjust as you go. Don't spend another year watching from the sidelines. Start now. That's all I have for today. Thanks for watching.